You can see it's a combination of indices and logarithms. Okay, so first of all, whenever you have logarithm in an equation, one of the things to target is how to clear the log. Okay, so let's begin. So we'll start by bringing down what we have here. There is really nothing you can do with it at the point. Okay, and then but on the right hand side there are two things we can do. One, we can try to simplify this, but before doing that, or while we do that, remember that there's a rule that says if I have log x to the power of n, that it is the same thing as bringing down the power to multiply the log. Okay, so and that's what I'm going to apply here. I'm going to bring down the power of everything here, which is 1 over 9 raised to the power of x, and then that's going to now multiply our log. Okay, so this will multiply log 1 over 0.1. okay, so let's try to work on the right hand side a little bit. Of course, this is going to, we'll try to change this to index form. So we have that this is 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x, and then this is multiplying log. Now we know that this one is 1 all over 0.1 is actually 10. Okay, because how? This is the same thing as 0.1 is 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, right, this one will now turn to 3 raised to the power of minus 2, because whenever we have 1 all over x to the power of n is the same thing as x to the power of minus n. Now, but there is already existing power there, so it will multiply this other power, and so you just have, like here now, the same thing I said here will happen here. This power now will change to negative, and the negative of negative 1 is 1, so you just have log 10. Okay, what's the next? You will discover that this is equal to 1, because this is common logarithm. Whenever the base of a log is not given, just know that it is base 10, and we know that the log of a number to the same base is 1. That brings us to the left hand side. We can bring it down now, so equal to, so what do we do here? We will now take away equal bases, and if we do that, we just have x squared minus 3 equal to minus 2x, and this is a beautiful quadratic equation. We'll bring this one over to this side, and we'll have x squared plus 2x minus 3 to be equal to 0, and then we will solve the quadratic equation. So the common factors will be minus 3 and will be plus 3 and minus 1. So we'll have 3 and minus 1. That's what you will multiply to get 2. Sorry, you will add to get 2, and you will multiply to get minus 3. Okay, so just open your two brackets like I will usually say, and then add the two factors. So you just have x plus 3 and x minus 1 equal to 0, and that is all you need. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, our x is equal to negative 3 or positive 1, and that is your solution. Okay, so and this is what I said to show us in this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel